What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Astro Cuddy, and we are back with another sneaker unboxing, another episode. This is episode 11. I'm proud of myself. But, before we get started, y'all know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, because I love when y'all like the video. And comment, please, ladies and gentlemen, because I love talking to y'all. And I'm looking for someone to do an intro for me for my YouTube video. So comment below if y'all want to help me, or shoot me a DM at my on IG. So without further ado, we're gonna get this shit started because the sneakers I have to show y'all is another pair of Dunks, but it's my first pair of low top, like regular Dunks. As I told y'all, the difference between SBs and then Dunks. These are regulars. So it's a collab between Undefeated. Little background on it. It's a boutique shop in LA. They were around back in 02, or they started back in 02, and they just collab with clothes and sneakers. So the sneakers I got are Dunks, and they're a part of the Nike versus Air Force One Dunk pack that they have, and Air Force One pack that they have. 4 sneakers, 2 Dunks, 2 Air Force Ones, and I got one of them. The other ones came out recently, but I needed these. Also, shout out to my sister's best friend Julia for giving me this ring light. Thank you. You're like the best little sister in the world, and my real sister too. So both of y'all, shout out to both of y'all. But let's get to it. Look at that. Oh, yo, I'm throwing these on like instantly. It has the Undefeated logo on the tongue, on the side. The material looks so clean, bro. And it's like a brown tan. And you don't even see people wearing brown tan like that. So imagine me throwing these on. And it low-key matches with my shirt. About to throw these shits on tonight. Nah, I haven't put these on yet because I haven't like laced them. I haven't had time to, but honestly, they come with yellow laces, like a lemon type of color. But I'm fucking with like the brown on these, like the tan, like, y'all know I love sneakers, man, and but these shits is hard. These shits is mean. And I just love how it has that like that Undefeated logo on the tongue and the fucking side of the shoe. The material is a little different. I guess like right here, I don't know what kind of material this is, but it feels nice, honestly. I'm not playing this shit. I'm sorry, my playlist be bugging sometimes, y'all. But then we also have, something calm, like a calm material. Like I could wear these outside and wouldn't really care if they get fucked up or dirty because I could clean these easily. Versus the other sneakers, I would have to be like cautious because of the material. It doesn't really feel like a suede. I don't know what it is, to be honest, but it feels nice. And it probably will look good if I fuck these up a little bit. Right here feels like a nice texture, like cotton, I guess. Like it's really, really soft right there. So I'll probably have to worry about this part. But overall, the shoe is not bad. Like, there's another pair that came out, a blue pair with like snake skin on this part. But I got 1 out of the 4. I'll probably get the Air Force Ones. They're called the Canteen. I believe this is what the shoe was called. The Nike SB Undefeated Canteens. I love these. And honestly, another collection to my sneakers. I'm building my collection. I'm probably gonna do a nice big video because I'm on my way to 50 pairs. Yes, 50 pairs. So I might do a big video for that. But I fuck with these. I'm gonna have to throw these shits on ASAP. Like, I'm gonna have to unlace them, get them fitted right, get them styled right. And y'all know I love Dunks, so first pair of lows, these gonna feel nice. These gonna feel comfortable. But I'm gonna see if I can get my hands on the Air Force Ones, come back with another review, compare. I'll see if I get my hand on the blue Dunks, compare those two. But I just wanted to show y'all what I copped. It's a little short video, not too long. I'll come out more content. I've been consistent, but I had to take a break. I had to go to work, stuff like that. But we back, man. We back. What the fuck is that? I gotta make sure it looks clean. But thank y'all for watching the video, man. I hope y'all liked. This is the shoe. Give it a little turnaround. I'm gonna throw these on tonight. But thank y'all for watching the video. Astro Cuddy, episode 11. Out of here.